Hi everyone, this is Jamil here. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this program, in this video, I'm gonna share you how to use a desktop view of the YouTube on your cell phone, because sometimes when you haven't any PC or your PC is not working, your laptop is not working, so it create a hassle for the people to use the desktop view of the YouTube on your Android phone, on your Apple iPhone. So without wasting your time, I'm gonna start our discussion about, for this purpose, if you are using an Android phone, you need to go on your Google Chrome, and here in the URL you need to write www.youtube.com. so now you are on the official website of the YouTube. See on the right side top there's our three button. Just click on that button and see on the bottom it's a desktop site. Just click on the desktop site, and within a second your view of your display of the cell phone has been changed. So here you can use or avail all the feature, right? See on the click on your picture, and when you click on the picture, see there's all option that you see on your desktop, on your laptop, on your PC or computer, like your channel, membership, YouTube Studio, setting all the options. So you just go on your channel option. When you are just on channel option, see all the options are in front of you, like see your home page where are showing your all video, latest video, or your popular video, or all the video that are related to that. So here you can see your all videos. You can easily modify it, you can easily change the thumbnail, their playlist, and all the other options. For example, this is the one video you want to add that video. See, same like the desktop view, see on the bottom of this video is the added option. Just go on the added option and it show you all the options, how to change the title, how to change the description, thumbnail, or visibility, playlist, end screen, and the card. Through this feature you can easily, promptly, efficiently, and effectively can change everything in it. And apart from it, I'm also gonna show you through this feature how you can go to your YouTube Studio easily, promptly, efficiently, and effectively. For this purpose, go on this setting, go on the YouTube desktop view, and click on your picture, and here you can easily check your statistics, or your monetization, your earning. So from this feature you can easily, promptly, efficiently, and effectively can see everything through this particular feature. For this purpose, just go on youtube.com. so after that, just click on this button, go on the desktop side view, and after that you will be able to use all the desktop feature on your cell phone. Just click on this picture, go on the YouTube Studio, and here you can easily, promptly see your YouTube Studio, all the feature in it. See, here it show you the channel dashboard, your performance. Here next is it show you your video, and see where is the dollar option or button. This is the monetization button. So here just click on the monetization button. You can easily see it, how much your 28-day earning is, how much your watch time, and how much your follower YouTube is. So this feature you can easily, promptly, efficiently, and effectively can see or use all the feature of the video through this easy solution. You can change everything on your cell phone without using your PC, your laptop, because it's really hassle for people to carry the laptop or PC with themselves. Through their cell phone, through the Android or Apple phone, they are easily, properly able to use this feature as a desktop view and can change everything. So please take care of yourself, and till next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.